Wood grain on glass, crocodile skin on acrylic. What if your next art project didn't just look good, it felt real too? Introducing the CMYK UV Printer E1 by Anker. It's not a 3D printer, it's not your average inkjet, it's a game changer. Meet the world's first personal use 3D texture UV printer. Factory level printing tech, now in your studio, small business, or even your home. This isn't just color on paper, it prints textures you can feel, up to 5 millimeters thick. Wood, metal, glass, leather, acrylic, you name it. Want to print on mugs or bottles? Just snap on the rotation unit, and boom, custom creations on curved surfaces. UV curable ink dries instantly with powerful light, making every print tough, durable, and pro-grade. And with onboard cameras and lasers, the E1 auto-detects and aligns your print, no measuring, no mistakes. Artists, crafters, small biz heroes, the E1 gives you the power to print products that... It's also self-cleaning, so you can focus on creating, not maintaining. The E1 drops on Kickstarter later this month, retail $1,899. But early birds just $1,499, with only a $50 deposit. Every bundle includes 6 UV inks, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, white, and gloss, a $299 value. Replacement costs still under wraps, but the innovation already here. CMYK is bringing UV printing out of the warehouse, and into the hands of creators everywhere. Ready to print the impossible? Like, subscribe and tell us, what will you create with the E1?